Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best swap rate Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. A swap rate is a rate of the fixed leg associated with a swap, which is determined by the specific market and the participants involved. It can be regarded as an agreement between two parties to exchange a specific given amount of Forex for an equal amount of another Forex currency, based on the current spot rate at the time that the exchange occurs. Traders who are searching for some of the best swap rate Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best swap rate Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Exness. Exness has a massive client base and over 10 years of industry experience, with several top-tier regulations behind its name. As an Exness client, you will have access to more than 100 Forex trading pairs, over 80 stocks, 13 cryptocurrencies, and 12 metals and energies. You will have the option of choosing either a standard account or a professional account, and each account offers favorable trading conditions, which are designed to accommodate different trading needs. If you are new to trading, you can find trading courses, market insights, webinars, and more on the Exness Academy educational website. With Exness, you can open a standard account, a standard cent account, a variety of professional accounts, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. Their standard account is a commission-free market execution account with stable spreads, no requotes, and great execution. Their standard cent account is a great entry account if you want standard conditions, but prefer to trade smaller lots and want to start with a lower capital investment. Their professional accounts require a minimum deposit of $500 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. These accounts are suited for more experienced traders and higher trading volumes. You can test your strategies using virtual money in a risk-free demo environment, or open a swap-free account, which is suitable for clients of the Muslim faith. Their platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, the Exness web terminal, and the Exness mobile application, which are supported on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Standard accounts are suitable for beginners, and the Help Center offers answers to some of the most commonly asked questions about using certain trading tools, managing accounts, analyzing charts, and more. If you require more in-depth guides, webinars, and market insights, you can visit the Exness educational website to find content based on your level of trading experience and to access the Exness Academy. Exness welcomes beginners and professional traders, offering flexible accounts with competitive trading conditions and a wide range of trading instruments that can be traded on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, or with the proprietary Exness application. At number 4 on our list is BDSwiss. BDSwiss is an award-winning Forex broker that is focused on ECN and STP trading and is regulated by 3 major bodies, including the CYSEC, the FSA, and the FSC. This broker was founded in 2012 and offers over 250 trading products. a trading academy for beginners, as well as advanced research and trading tools for more experienced traders. A total of more than $84 billion is traded on BDSwiss every month, and this broker is trusted by over 1.5 million traders. With BDSwiss, you can trade a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, shares, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts are available on Classic, Premium, VIP, and Raw accounts, with zero commission on the Classic account, a minimum deposit of $100, demo accounts, zero commissions on the Classic and Premium accounts, tight spreads, and more. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the BDSwiss proprietary trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The BDSwiss Trading Academy provides a variety of educational content, such as webinars and seminars, ebooks on Forex trading, live educational services, lessons on the basics of Forex trading, as well as a Forex glossary and educational videos. As a BDSwiss client, you will have access to a wide range of innovative trading tools for research and analysis, risk management, charting, and so much more. If you are searching for any additional educational content with BDSwiss. Coming in at number 3, we have Axie. Axie, formerly known as Axie Trader, is an online broker which was founded in 2007. Authorized and regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, with its head office located in Australia. Axie specializes in Forex, indices, commodities, precious metals, oil, and cryptocurrencies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 as a browser-based web application and is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Standard, Professional, and Islamic accounts, with lower spreads, no minimum deposits, a free 30-day demo account, access to a variety of tradable market instruments, virtual private servers, an auto chartist, and more. Axie also provides their very own educational center, which delves into beginner's guides to getting started with Forex trading, a collection of free video tutorials, free ebooks, a trading blog, and more for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional education with Axie. At number 2 on our list is Avatrade. Avatrade is a fully regulated CFD and Forex broker that has been around since 2006 and currently has a client base of over 300,000 traders, with their headquarters located in Ireland. Avatrade has won more than 100 international awards and is regulated and licensed across 5 continents worldwide. Avatrade is a beginner-friendly broker that offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Avatrade offers 4 flexible types of accounts, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic swap-free accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's WebTrader, as well as their very own mobile trading applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, market terms, as well as ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best swap rate Forex brokers, we have FX Pro. FX Pro is a multi-asset, fully regulated, online Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2006 in the United Kingdom. This award-winning broker uses an order book execution engine and offers competitive trading conditions and ultra-fast, no-dealing desk execution with deep liquidity. As an FX Pro client, you can choose from more than 2,100 tradable instruments to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of Forex pairs, precious metals, indices, shares, energies, and popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, Doge, and many more. FX Pro provides all the tools, resources, and features you need to make informed decisions with your trades, and there are several different platforms that you can trade on when trading with this broker. Whether you are new to trading or an expert, FX Pro provides beginner to advanced learning material, and beginners can practice using a risk-free demo account. More than 1.8 million people worldwide are currently trading on FX Pro, and they have received more than 90 awards since launching in 2006. FX Pro offers a total of 5 types of trading accounts and also gives their clients the option to use demo accounts and swap-free accounts. The trading conditions of FX Pro's accounts are designed according to the platforms they are used with, and most accounts allow hedging and use a no-dealing desk execution model. The FX Pro MetaTrader 4 Instant offers fixed spreads with no commission fees and instant execution. All instruments except cryptocurrencies can be traded using this account on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. The FX Pro MetaTrader 4 account also offers commission-free trading. However, it is a market execution account with tiered liquidity and floating spreads. This account can be used to trade all available instruments. The third account that you can use with MetaTrader 4 is the FX Pro Platform account, which is also a market execution account. The CTrader account can be used to trade Forex, metals, indices, and energies. It is also a market execution account. This account also allows hedging and can be used on the CTrader platform. The last live trading account you can use with FX Pro is the FX Pro MetaTrader 5 account, which is also a market execution account with tiered liquidity and floating spreads. However, it allows netting by default, and hedging functionality must be requested. You can trade crypto 24/7 with this account, and it can only be used on MetaTrader 5. Both of their market execution accounts allow 24/7 cryptocurrency trading. Their platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader and the FX Pro proprietary trading platform, which are all supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. FX Pro provides educational resources for beginners and advanced traders, covering the topics of trading basics, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and trading psychology. These learning modules are divided into lessons. There are also videos you can watch to learn more about trading habits, currency pairs, and market players, for you to browse through at any time if you are searching for any additional educational content with FX Pro. And those are some of the top 5 best swap rate Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.